Hello, welcome to my episode 5 there, if you're listening to on the podcast now. The coming topic is 5 businesses for beginning entrepreneur. Now, I'm talking about beginning entrepreneur where you have limited resources, where you have limited items at your home. You might just have an iPhone, or you might just have a normal smartphone, and you might not have a very advanced or latest computer, so you can use the library laptop there or the library computer there. So here are the 5 business that you can start as a beginning entrepreneur there. Number 1, you can do a PT there. Now, what PT means is a personal trainer, not just limited to in a gym. You're not just teaching people how to do the bench press, how to do the sit-up, that kind of thing. You can also do a personal trainer as a sport coach. Like where I'm coming from, I'm a swim teacher there. I can teach people how to swim. You can teach them as a group or a personal trainer, or you can teach them in a private one-on-one time. So these are the things. You're selling your experience. You're selling your own service there, so it won't cost you too much money to start up. So number 1. Number 2, graphic design. So graphic design, if you just have a normal, simple laptop there, you can just go on to www.canva.com. You can do the graphic design, where my team also do that, and she is not from a graphic design background. She can also help me as well, and you can use this soft skill to help your customers. Okay, you can help your customers, such as you might have a store on your street, and they need help with the social media as well. So you can use these skills to help them to drive more traffic to their store, so in order to increase the revenue. Number 3, a video editor. Now, I'm recording this video at the time of 2020, okay, in June, after the COVID-19. After the COVID-19, lots of people go online now this day, because they try to reduce the human contact with the other person in order to reduce the virus spreading rate. So now more people, they're putting their own product and service online, because they're using their smartphone, or they're using maybe their professional camera to do video taping there. They need to have a person to do a video editing. And you might ask me, hey Aaron, it's going to cost me a lot. It's going to be really pricey. Depends on what you do. It depends on what you have. If you're a user, if you want to be a little bit better, a video editor, you can use your Apple iMovie there. That one's for free. But if you just say to me, I only have a phone, you can just pay for $5 or $10, which is some of them, they have a free version as well. It doesn't cost you anything. You can edit it on your phone. But if you want to get a little bit more sophisticated in the video editing, then you can just go on to Premiere Pro or ProCut, that kind of things that Adobe, they do sell. They have a monthly subscription. But if you're saying to me, Aaron, I don't have money to pay that for, go and find a job. Find a job. How much you get paid? Like $10 or $20 per hour, and that monthly subscription might cost you only $20 for the whole month. So you just need to work for 1 hour in exchange of this monthly subscription, and you can use that to make more money, right? Number 4, that is the coming trend, social media manager. Now, as I said to you, I'm recording it as a 2020. At the moment, we're still using Facebook, Instagram, YouTube to drive traffic to the website, or to drive traffic to the store, to the physical store, to drive traffic to the gym. At the moment, I don't know if you're watching this maybe after 5 or 10 years, might be different by then. I'm talking about the time of recording. So people, while they're doing the business there, especially the entrepreneur there, the one who is running the business, they don't have time to do this kind of tasks, because it takes them a lot of time there. So if you want to tap into entrepreneur, the world there, you can use that to drive revenue to your company or to yourself first, so that you can use this revenue to move on to learn something, a higher income skills there. Okay, number 5, copywriting or content writing. Now, this day, people hate being sold. Because, back in old time, the car salesman would come and knock on your door or would call you, say, hey, Mrs. Smith, would you like to buy my car? Hey, something, would you like to buy that piece of computer at a discounted rate? People don't like being sold. So these days now, in the current world, we're doing content marketing. Like what I'm doing to you now, I'm educating people. And you need to position yourself as an expert in your field so that people will come and speak to you. So now, but then it's the customer go to your prospect, go to you, not you go to the prospect, and then you put them into the funnel. So by having a copywriting and on the content creator there, being a content creator there, you can actually bring in some revenue. Now, this one requires some skills there because copywriting, you need to understand the buyer psychology. You need to understand their pain. You need to understand how, they feel towards the problem, so that you can find a solution for them and you can, showcase your product or your service, or you can showcase someone's product or service there because you're the one who's doing writing there. Okay? Now, what I'm saying to you, these 5, personal training, could be a sport coaching, or could be a music teaching there, okay, or academic. Number 2, graphic designing. Number 3, video editing. Number 4, social media manager. Number 5, content writing or copywriting. So, if you're a beginning or baby entrepreneur, these 5 items is what I'm going to suggest you to do. Okay? So, until next time, I will see you in the next episode. Bye for now.